Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. I'm here with your online virtual class video for subject EVS class LKG. Sources of water. Water is a precious natural resource. All living things need water for their survival, to live and grow. पानी बहुत अमूल्य है और पानी के बगैर जीवन नहीं है. Uses of water. We use water for many things such as drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, brushing teeth, gardening. Water is also used for agriculture purpose and industrial purpose as well. Where does the water comes from? पानी कहाँ से मिलता है हमको? हमने uses देखा. We saw the water is used for drinking, washing, cleaning, agriculture purpose, industrial purpose. But from where we get the water? Let's see. Now we will learn about the sources of water. There are mainly three sources of water. That is rainwater, groundwater, surface water. हमको पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? रेन वाटर, दैट मीन्स बारिश. ग्राउंड वाटर जो हमारे अर्थ के ज़मीन के नीचे अंदर है. सरफेस वाटर दैट इज अबोव, ऊपर है. रेन वाटर is the main source of water. It deposits most of the fresh water on the earth. Surface water is the water above ground. Rain fills water in, such as rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams. Sea and oceans. Surface water shall be consumed only after it has been properly filtered and disinfected. हम पानी फिल्टर करे बगैर नहीं पी सकते. The surface water. During the rain, some water seeps into the ground, which is called अंडरग्राउंड. जब बारिश होती है जो पानी जमीन के अंदर उतर जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. ग्राउंड वाटर इज द वाटर प्रेजेंट beneath अर्थ surface. It can be consumed using well, tube wells and hand pump. If you have ever visited the village, there you can see that you have getting water from the well, then tube wells, hand pump. वहाँ से हमको पानी मिलता है. So these are the sources of water. Now let's see some more uses of water in this video. As you all know, living things need water to survive, to live and grow. Uses of water. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, cleaning, brushing teeth, washing utensils, washing hands, washing vehicles, swimming, farming, and industrial purpose as well. Animals need water to drink and live. Plants need water to grow and survive. Water is precious. Do not waste water. Saving water. Turn off the tap while brushing the teeth. Take shorter baths. Wash the vegetables in a bowl of water. Turn off tap after each use. So this way you can save water. Now let's quickly do the exercise in our EVS book. That is water. Drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. It's very good to drink plenty of water. So you should drink at least 8 glasses of water. Now in this exercise, you have to take the things for which you use water. We use water for many things, but you have to take the things for which you use water. So you use water while brushing, drinking water. Sometimes you must be watering the plant also. Bathing. Washing clothes, mama do. Cooking also, mama do. You sometimes play in the puddle. You go for swimming and you help your father in washing the vehicles. So these are the things in which you use the water. So this way you will finish the exercise in your book. Now let's see a story on the importance of water. This is Viraj. Viraj loves to play with water. One day his mother was watering the plant and suddenly she remembered that she forgot to prepare breakfast. So she told Viraj that, can you please water the plant? But take care that you will not waste the water. And as Viraj got a chance to water the plant, and as he loves to play with water, so he was very happy. But his mother told him that do not waste the water. So when his mother went inside, Viraj got a chance. So what he did, he watered the plant, excess water, and play with the water. When the mother came back after cooking the breakfast, what she saw? Viraj has raised the water and the water tank was now empty. And his mother was very angry and she went and called Viraj's father to send a water tanker as Viraj has wasted the water. By the time in his garden he saw some birds came and saw the water bowl was empty. The birds were thirsty and want to drink water, but there was no water in that. So the birds were sad. By seeing this, Viraj also became sad that the birds have no water to drink. So what he did? He ran inside and he took a bottle from the fridge and filled the jug and then brought the water and filled the bowl, and the birds came and drank the water. Now Viraj was happy. Seeing this, his mother also told him that, see Viraj, means if you will waste the water like this, there will be a time that there will be no water to drink. So if you will save water from now, it will be saved for your future. So now Viraj came to know about his mistake and promised his mother from now onwards he will never waste the water. So what is the moral of the story? If we don't use water properly today, then tomorrow we might not get even to drink. So do not waste water and save water, save nature. And one more thing we have learned: saving water, helping others, and listen to your elders. So I end up the story with this beautiful thought to save water and save our earth. So bye bye children.